this is 11 times already.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Sac County in west central Iowa, west central Calhoun County in west central Iowa, northeastern Crawford County in west central Iowa, northwestern Carroll County in west central Iowa, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Black Hawk Lake, or 13 miles south of Sac City, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour.
Why so fast?
Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Incomplete. That's sus.